Edo Governor Obaseki don recently carry waka go see the ongoing construction work for Edo State College of Health Science and Technology, Edo Cohest, as dem dey prepare for accreditation team visit. Dis check waka na part of the efforts to make sure say the school dey ready to start academic activities for the next session. Obaseki wey carry members of the State Executive Council follow body do on-the-spot check to see how far the work don go. For the waka, Governor Obaseki come yarn tori pipo say the management team for the college don dey in place and dem dey work well with government to finish all the necessary infrastructural development. E come tok say dem don dey finalize the admission process for new students and say the upcoming pre-accreditation visits from regulatory authorities dey very important to get full accreditation for the college. Oga Governor come still tok say the check waka na to identify and correct any problem wey fit stop the accreditation process, and also say e ensure say the college go ready to open for students by the next academic year after they don get successful accreditation.
An accreditation team from the regulatory authorities to come and do a pre-accreditation visit to this school so that the process of getting all the accreditation we need to operate the school will be seamless. And so I'm here today to just inspect the extent of work and the extent of readiness for the team that will be coming here in about 2 weeks to come and inspect the progress of work with a view to correcting what needs to be corrected or put right, so that before the next academic calendar year, the school will be accredited and opened for students. And as you can see, work is progressing rapidly. I think we broke ground here and decided on this revamp less than a year ago. And you'll agree with me that this bit of work here has been quite impressive. It's very high class. So far, so good. There's quite a bit more work to be done, and I really appreciate the team. The management of the school have now been hired. Standing to my left is the new provost for the college, and members of the management team are here to see us and work with us to complete the infrastructure work while they analyze the admissions so that we can launch the best school or institution to train workers for our primary healthcare system, not only for Edo State, but for the rest of the country.
Provost of the college, Dr. Moyo Kasim, come assure the governor say the management team dey committed to achieving vision and complex say Edo Cohest go become one of the best health technology schools for the country. A contrary salute to the governor's big investment for the school and promise say the college go admit better students wey go make Edo State proud of the graduates.
Our job is to follow the vision of His Excellency, and simply the vision for us is to make sure that this College of Health Sciences and Technology is the best in the country bar none. As you can see, he has made so much investment that's very clear to everybody here. So the onus is on us now to admit the best of the best to come to this college, and for the citizens of Edo to be proud of the products that ultimately will graduate from this college. That's our charge. And I want to promise the governor today and the state that we will not let him down. We'll key on that vision. We'll stay on that vision.
The governor check waka of the college showed the progress wey dem don make and the commitment of the management team to establish top-level institution to train healthcare workers for Edo State and beyond. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesili, TMC TV News.